Hi and welcome to episode 4 of Hidden Gems with Mr. Tickle. Today we're going to take a look at an old JCB backhoe which I believe is a 3C Mark II that was parked up about a decade ago upon completion of a building project it had been working on. The 3C Mark II was produced between 1968 through to 1977, and in this particular example's year of manufacture it used a BMC Nuffield 465 tractor skid unit. Ask any child to draw you a digger and they'll draw you a 3C. The machine is a legend in its own right and has become an icon worldwide. The JCB song even made #1 in the charts. So come with me and let's take a look at what's hiding away deep in the woods. Shame to see the old girl sat like this. Not actually in bad condition. So overgrown. See the back actor there. I think it's a 3C Mark II. I'll look the registration up when I get home. Glass has gone through. $7,361 hours I can see there. Is 7,000 hours a lot for a JCB? I'm not sure. It's reasonable for a tractor. Can't really get to anything else to view it. So I think I'll have to call that a day. What a shame. So there you go. Such a shame she's been left to rot. Thankfully every cloud has a silver lining and there are some very early plans for a follow-up video where I might just be rescuing her. Stay tuned to my channel for more on that. So thanks for watching. Lots more videos coming soon. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos if you like them. Stay safe out there and take care.
Well, I'm rumbling in this JCB. I'm 5 years old, my dad's a giant sitting beside me, and the engine rattles my bum like berserk while we're singing, don't forget your shovel if you want to go and work. My dad's probably had a bloody hard day, but he's been good fun and bubbling and joking way. And the procession of cars stuck behind are getting all impatient and angry, but we don't mind. And we're holding up the bypass. Oh, me and my dad having a tough laugh. Oh, oh.